Cats can be wonderfully mysterious creatures, and sometimes their dislikes seem to defy all logic. One moment your cat is purring contentedly, and the next they're glaring at a perfectly innocent object. Plastic bags, that one spot on the carpet, or even your favorite houseplant can become sworn enemies.
Keeping your hamster happy and healthy goes beyond food and shelter. Enrichment is key. Try making simple DIY toys from everyday items. Cardboard tubes become tunnels for exploring and chewing. Fill a small box with shredded paper and treats to...
No camera, no editing, just clicks. Let me show you how. If you're selling pet products or services, or really anything at all, or maybe you just want to grow a TikTok, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts channel to share your passion, but you don't have time, you don't know how to shoot or edit videos, and hiring a full team? Way too expensive. Then today I've got something for you, an AI-powered solution that's super affordable and insanely easy, just a few clicks. And you've got a library of videos ready to post, build your channel, and maybe even go viral. And the best part? I've got a 30% discount code just for you, as a thank you for supporting my channel. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video.
Let's say I want to build a TikTok channel about pets. First, I just go to ChatGPT and ask, give me 10 video ideas to grow a TikTok channel about pets. And boom, ChatGPT instantly gives me 10 solid content ideas. Now I just copy those ideas, paste them into Videogen, and it turns them into actual videos with voice, visuals, and subtitles. Sounds pretty cool, right? All right, now go ahead and click the link in the video description. It'll take you to Videogen, create videos in seconds with AI. Trusted by over 3 million professionals, creators, marketers, and businesses. First, click sign up in the top right corner of the screen. I recommend just using your Google account super quick. Now you're on the homepage. Click Upgrade Plan to unlock the Pro version. Yes, it's a paid tool, but honestly, it's 100% worth it. You can either choose the monthly plan at $24 a month or go with the yearly plan. It gives you up to 50% off, so you'll save a lot in the long run. Once you've decided, click Upgrade to Pro, fill in your payment info, and you're good to go. Now go back to the homepage and click New Video. To get real-life pet footage, just select Standard Stock. Since I'm posting on TikTok, I picked the vertical 9:16 format and clicked Continue. In the What is your video about section, I took the title Pet Hacks or DIY Enrichment Toys from ChatGPT and pasted it in, but I swapped the word pet with hamster to make it more specific. Then I selected a script length of 75 words, short enough for TikTok viewers to watch all the way through. Of course, you can go longer if you want. After that, I clicked the red arrow, waited about 5 seconds, and boom! The full script appeared right on the screen. You can edit it if needed. Then hit Generate Video. Videogen AI instantly created a beautiful video that matched the script perfectly.
Keeping your hamster happy and healthy goes beyond food and shelter. Enrichment is key. Try making simple DIY toys from everyday items. Cardboard tubes become tunnels for exploring and chewing. Fill a small box with shredded paper and treats to create a foraging challenge.
If you want to change the voice, look to the left panel. You can choose another one anytime. You'll also see the Theme tab. Click it to pick the caption style you like. There's even a great TikTok-ready purple style. And at the top toolbar, you can adjust caption color, font, size, and placement easily. Now, if you want to change the background music, just click the music icon in the bottom left corner. Under copyright-free music, there are tons of styles. Inspirational, calm, dramatic, happy. And you can even adjust the music volume to fit your video vibe.
Tubes become tunnels for exploring and chewing.
Once you're happy with everything, do a quick review of the full video. Then hit the share button to finalize it. And make sure to export in 4K quality. That way, your video looks super sharp and professional on YouTube. While waiting for the video to finish rendering, I opened a new Videogen tab and repeated the whole process with a different script.
Cats can be wonderfully mysterious creatures, and sometimes their dislikes seem to defy all logic. One moment your cat is purring contentedly, and the next, they're glaring at a perfectly innocent object.
If you want to change any image, just click on Replace on the right. The Media Tool section will appear, and from there, you can upload a picture of your cat from your computer. Looks so cute, right?
Loud sneezes, closed doors, or the sound of a vacuum cleaner might be met with disdain. With cats, their quirks keep us guessing and constantly entertained.
See? It really just takes a few clicks. And in no time, you've got another beautiful video, fully done and ready to go. That's it. Your full process from script to video, all using AI. Now it's your turn. Start with just one video. You'll be surprised how easy it gets.
Remember that 30% discount code I mentioned at the beginning of the video? When you're checking out, just enter the code HERE'S30. It'll help you save a good amount of money.
Like this video if it helped. Comment if you want more tools like this.
Don't forget to support Layna AI Studio.